Emergency. The 134 Express is stuck in the Melvinia zone of the Ulysses planetary system. Sirius platoon dispatch and head for the scene immediately.
For there came a sound that rattled through her vents. "Oh no!" she cried. "It's the Sunrise Skyrocket!" She tried to go faster, but there were too many cars behind her. She thought she would be okay, but just as the train was halfway across the points, 2 cars were in pieces.
Uh-oh. Did he mean my chance had come to pull that special train? All by myself?